The Bible does not lie when it says it is more blessed to give than to receive. That is just a promise. You click on activity, you click on gift aid, and then bang, that's it, done. I'm Oliver Ullman-Smith, chairman of the Stormguard group of companies.
What is unique about Stormguard is that for over 200 years, the family have kept their traditional industrial roots and yet also kept pace with innovation and change. Their products are now sold all over the world.
Wise generosity is amassing more resources and then sharing those with other people. It's in the things you're doing, the way you think, the way you speak, the way you behave. I think that's one reason why we do have a lot of people who work for us for a very long time.
I'm Hazel and I've worked for the company for 40 years, thereabouts. I've had family members that work here. My mum worked here.
A lot of the time they will remember your name. I'm not just a number, you know, I am part of the company.
They've always been very helpful and supportive of me, whether I've had problems in work or out of work, they've always helped me.
We all get together and then choose like a charity that we want to go for.
And then Oliver will double what we've raised.
And what Stewardship do is they facilitate the giving. That's why they are such a valuable partner. Generosity and giving can sometimes be hard. I just want to be generous and I can't. Stewardship are there to take your hand and take you through that. You even get a little party popper thing. I actually like the fact that I can see the extra that comes from gift aid in my account. You give what you want to give when you want to give, and it's all done. It's literally a click of a button. That's great. I love that.